Sembut Menteri Rangba Barim ke Jela bat Vice President ke NPP uba Prestone Tinsong ula penrem jur halor ke Jingsha Thombor haki Jakasa ki Arngut ki MLA ke Hspdp halor ke Rai ke Jongki ban Kyrshan ya ke Kenhon ke Lamkhmat da ke NPP ke ban Thau Sorkar Thamai ha Meghalaya. Habai keren berkilat pathai kubor hanong ba Shillong hene kesengi uba Tinsong ulam maham ba on sa penshitom ya ki bedon kti hakum kitei ki kam ki bala ban kta ya ka syongsuk syongsan ha ka jela ka bakentup ya ka nong ba Shillong uba Prestone ulaya ro ru ya ka rai jong kitei ki Arngut ki MLA ka Hspdp kata Methodius khar bat Shakliar Warjri ban Kyrshan ya ka NPP ban yo Thau Sorkar Thamai bat kentu ya ka liang persya ban burom ya karai jong kitei ki Arngut.
There were few groups of people, which I should say miscreants, unknown miscreants, who trying to create law and order just because of one party or one individual MLA wanted to join to any political party for forming the government. I think this is against the constitution and against the right of the people of those concerned constituencies. So it is my appeal to all concerned from now on, they have to stop this and the government will take all out effort to make sure that the culprit be booked.